So, I'm going to tell you the simple reason you need passive income in your life. It's really simple. Hey guys, my name is Carrie Buck, and I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and that provides me monthly passive income and also big chunks of cash that I generate in small time frames. And I've been teaching people just like you since 2011 how to start your own profitable ATM business. So I'm not going to necessarily talk about the ATM business on this video, but I want to talk to you about passive income and the simple reason why you need passive income. So you see here, I'm all bundled up. And it's because I live in Pennsylvania, and yes, my nose is all runny and crappy, my face is all red. I live in Pennsylvania, and today we got snow, right? Let me take this up a little bit. So we got snow today, right? And it's crappy. It's like just shitty out. It's snowy, it's cold, freezing rain, right? It's just nasty out. So yesterday, I knew that today I didn't want to leave the house. I just didn't want to leave the house. I knew it was going to be shitty. I had a chiropractor appointment. I knew I was going to cancel it. I got up at 11 today. Don't judge me for that. But I got up at 11, and the snow is pouring now, right? And honestly, I didn't even think it was going to be that much snow. Like, there was like literally this much snow out on the deck. So I'm like, damn, I didn't know that we were going to get this much snow. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm not doing anything today. I'm just chilling on the couch with my Spencer. Of course, I went out to shovel. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is a Panthers jacket. It's not because I'm a Panthers fan. I'm not even really a football fan. But I got this a long time ago. It was a gift, and it's because I like their colors. That's really the only reason I have it. But anyways, the simple reason that you should have passive income, besides all the other amazing reasons you should have them, and if you're curious about some of those other reasons, watch some of my other videos. Actually, I'll put a link. It'll probably be up here. I'm assuming it'll be up here, or maybe it'll be up here. I don't know. It'll be up here somewhere, but it'll be a link to all the other passive income videos that I have. Non-ATM, right? If you want ATM-specific passive income videos, then I will put a link at the end of this video for that, right? So link in the video for passive income videos, link at the end of this video for more ATM passive income videos, okay? So the simple reason to have passive income is you don't really feel like going out and doing anything, right? Like, legit, like, it's cold out. It's shitty out. It's unsafe out, right? It's unsafe to be out on the road, right? I'm sure a lot of you have felt like I used to feel when I had a job, that I'm like, I don't want to go to work to make X amount of money, and I could potentially die in an accident on my way to work. And the job doesn't even give a shit. Like, the job will be like, oh, that's sad, haha. And then tomorrow they're finding somebody else to replace me, right? Why do I want to put myself, my life at risk? My family, right? You're putting your family at risk too, because if you're not here, there goes that income, right? You know what I mean? That income, that support, that everything, that love, that everything, right? So, yeah, you want to have passive income just to choose to stay indoors. Or just to choose to do whatever you want to do. Like, in this particular situation, like, I'm on the East Coast, like, we get shitty winters sometimes, right? And I'm not going out in the cold. I'm just not going out in the cold. I'm not going out in the snow. I don't care. I don't have to, right? I've rescheduled my chiropractor appointment. No big deal. I don't care about it, right? If I had a 9-to-5 job, however, they want me to come to work. They want me to come to work. They don't care. They want me in there working, right? So that's a reason to have passive income, right? So I have the ability now, because of passive income, that if I don't want to go out into the world today, I don't need to. And I did not, right? I stayed in all day with Spencer, chilling. I did a couple calls, made a couple videos, did some things, helping some students out. But other than that, I didn't leave the house besides shoveling, right? And you know what? There was a couple kids that passed me. I'm not even kidding you. If they would have said, hey, do you want us to finish that? I'd have paid them whatever they wanted, and they could have finished it for me. I don't care, right? I was tired of being out there, But That's just a simple reason you should have passive income. So you can choose not to do something one day for whatever reason. But this is a specific reason. Like the weather, it could potentially be dangerous. Now, I could be the best driver in the world in the snow and in the ice and the sleet and the freezing rain. But how do I know all those other drivers around me are? You know what I'm saying? So when you have passive income, you now have the choice to say, you know what? I'm not going out in that weather. I'm not chancing it. I'm not chancing some asshole that doesn't know how to drive running into me and ending my life. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, if you live in a different, on like the West Coast, or you live in a different area where you don't have to deal with snow or what have you, there's other issues that could come up for you, right? I don't know them. I don't know them because I don't live there. Like, I just know where I live, right? Maybe you're having earthquakes. I don't know. In California, you guys are having those fires. I mean, clearly, if you're near the fires, I would not expect your boss to expect you to come in. That would not make any sense. But let's just say your boss did tell you to come in. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. Like, your safety is at risk. Like, don't come in. No, I'm not coming in. Screw your freaking whatever you're paying me, per hour or per year. Screw that shit. My life is worth more. Your life is worth more. That's powerful right there, guys. So that's why you should have passive income. Simple reason you should have passive income is just to give you the choice to not do shit if you don't want to not go out into the world if you don't want to, if you feel the weather is unsafe, if you feel the situation is unsafe, right? And it doesn't even have to be it's unsafe, right? Maybe you just don't want to freaking do shit, This just happens to be my situation today, right? It's snowy, it's icy, it's just shitty out, and I knew yesterday I wasn't going out today. I knew. I filled a couple machines. There was a couple machines, ATM machines that were low. I filled them yesterday because I knew I wasn't coming out. There was nothing that was going to make me go out today, right? I got up at 11 o'clock. I've been chilling ever since, minus being out there twice to shovel. All right, hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If you guys have any questions about passive income, post them below, and I'll answer them. And please don't forget to like this video. Give me some thumbs up. And you can actually click on that ATM right there and subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll get more video. You'll get notified when I make videos about passive income, when I make videos about ATMs, specifically ATMs, passive income with ATMs, big chunks of cash and small time frames with ATMs, right? So you'll get notified if you click on that little ATM machine there and subscribe to the channel. All right, again, give me some thumbs up, likes. If you have any comments or questions, post them below. Also, if you want to suggest another video, like what do you want my next video to be, post it below. People have been making suggestions and I've been doing the videos on them, all right? If you are interested in the ATM business and passive income from ATMs, I invite you to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com. There you can get my free ATM business roadmap. It'll basically show you how I went from zero to generating $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month in passive income by just placing ATMs in local businesses, right? And that doesn't even begin to touch the big chunks of cash in small time frames that I make from doing mobile events with my ATMs, right? So go over there, atmbusinessblueprint.com, and grab that. Also, if you are interested in passive income with ATMs or making big chunks of cash with ATMs, I invite you to my free Facebook group. It's called ATM Money Makers, and you can go to atmmoneymakers.com, and that'll get you to the Facebook group. Warning though, there are a couple questions that you have to answer before you get accepted into the group. Answer those questions, okay? If you don't answer those questions, you will not get into the group. My assistant has very strict instructions on what to look for to accept and not accept people into the group. And one of those things are if they don't answer the questions, boom, you don't get into the group. So atmmoneymakers.com. Just make sure you answer the questions and you'll hop into that free group. And again, any questions, post them below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click on that ATM and that little ATM and subscribe to this channel. End of the video, there'll be a thing you could click on where you can watch ATM more ATM videos. And then right here, again, I will put that link to, or right here. I don't know if it's right here or right here. It's somewhere, guys. Right here or right here. I'll put that link for you to be able to watch more passive income videos. All right. Again, my name is Carrie Buck. I will talk to you soon, and may you live happily off of passive income.